Hi guys, welcome back to Baking Buddies. I'm your host, Caitlin Freeze. Today we're going to be making double chocolate muffins and regular chocolate chip muffins. We're going to be making 24 and 12 big muffins and then 24 small muffins. We're going to make the batter separately and we're going to be using this brand, Martha White. So we're going to start by opening it. It doesn't matter if you which one you start with. You can start with either one. Okay, so one bag of the batter is going to just need half a cup of milk, and since we're doing 2 bags, we just need 1 whole cup of milk, and then we're going to split it between the 2, mix it, and then we're going to bake them at 400 degrees for 16 minutes, between 12 to 18 for the small ones, but the big ones will bake for around 12 minutes. We're going to bake them around the same time, so let me get this stuff added into the bowl. Alrighty, after getting that one mixed, we're going to clean the spoon off and then start mixing the double chocolate one, and then we're going to spray both pans and then we're going to bake them. We'll get back with that. Alrighty, I'm going to get these sprayed and then we're going to use a 1/4 cup to pour it into the big ones, and then we'll use half of I guess a 1/8 measurement to fill in these, but you should fill up the container at least 2/3 of the way to where it doesn't overfill to where you can't get it out of the tin. Why are we laughing, guys? Yeah, why are you laughing? Paper towel. So after getting these sprayed and like wiped to where it's even, to where it's not like one of them's full of oil, the other one's not, we're going to do half of this, the regular chocolate chip, and then half of it, the double chocolate. I'm gonna start pouring the small ones first, and then we'll get to the big ones in a second. This is gonna be so slow. Alright, so we had enough batter to do the 24 small ones, but we only had enough batter to do 3 double chocolate ones and then 2 regular chocolate chip ones. So we're gonna take these over to the oven and we're gonna bake them for these for 12 minutes and then these for 18. We're gonna set a timer and then we're gonna get back to you. Okay, so after letting these bake and pulling them out and like flipping them out, as you can see, we have 12 of the regular chocolate chip and then 12 of the double chocolate, and then 3 big ones of the double chocolate and then 2 of the regular chocolate chip. We're gonna have one of our special cameramen, Jaden, come and taste one of the muffins of his choice.
All right.
Alright. You want the mini one?
Yeah, I'll take the mini one.
As you can see, they're all different sizes.
Oh, I can tell, yes.
Alrighty. Alrighty. I guess I'll pick one that I want to try. I'll do this one of the regular.
Good.
Tastes pretty good. So that's it for Baking Buddies. Thank you for joining us. I'm your host, Caitlin Fries. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.